In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quote stickers in Canva. Whether you're designing for a social media post, planning to print them, or just want to add some personal flair to your journal, Canva offers an easy and creative way to get started. So let's dive in and create something wonderful together. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the search bar at the top center of the page. This little tool is your gateway to discovering the multitude of templates Canva offers. Go ahead and type in quote stickers. You'll see a list of options begin to populate below. Don't feel overwhelmed. These are the templates that Canva has curated for you. They come in all sorts of styles and designs, perfect for whatever mood you want your quotes to convey. Take your time to scroll through and examine these options. You might find some pop out more than others. When you find a template that speaks to you, click on it. This is where the magic of customization begins. Upon selecting your template, look for the Customize This Template button, usually located on the right-hand side of the screen. Clicking this will open a design window where you can start making the template your own. Here, you'll see your chosen quote sticker template, complete with its pre-designed graphics and text. But, of course, we're here to inject a bit of your personality into it. And now comes the fun part. Start replacing the text and the photo in the template. Simply click on the existing text, and a text box will appear. Delete the placeholder text and enter your quote. Keep in mind, short and impactful quotes work well for stickers because they're easy to read and visually